Hi, I'm Ashley Van Orney with MOXIE, America's solar company. MOXIE is a national full-service solar sales and installation company headquartered in North Liberty, Iowa. MOXIE excels at superior customer service, and our rapid installation process enables us to install solar panels significantly faster than the national average. While the development of the rapid installation process at MOXIE has been successful at reducing installation times, it doesn't do two things. It doesn't reduce the burden of the project managers handling each project, and it doesn't help the solar industry as a whole. With our new Flamingo app, we plan to solve those and additional challenges unique to the U.S. solar industry. With Flamingo, customers can access an engaging interface or experience where they can check the status of their system in real time. In addition, the app will send courtesy notifications to customers, alerting them to changes in their project status. The four primary challenges we are seeking to overcome with the Flamingo app are: significantly reduce the turn time between contract signing and passing inspection, vastly improve customer experience by communicating more frequently, and reduce the burden placed on project managers across the industry. Finally, Flamingo will provide solar companies with a platform to better help them manage all aspects of their business. We respectfully submit this video in hopes that you will understand and share our fervent belief that Flamingo will be an important industry tool for solar companies to leverage. It is not only our belief that Flamingo is needed, but needed quickly to help companies prepare for operating in a new environment.